Fine. So I like to welcome Miss Ahana Hajra. Okay. And her topic is designing of capacity loaded Gumodina alginate microsphere targeted delivery for colon cancer management. Madam, when you are from which college? Which department? She is from Jadavpur University, Pharmaceutical Department, and she is currently pursuing PhD.
Good morning everyone. I am Ahana Hajra. I am from Jadavpur University, the Department of Pharmaceutical Technology. Here I am representing my little bit of my project work. The topic of my project work is that designing of capacitively loaded Garmodina alginate based microsphere for targeted delivery for colon cancer management. Before going to the main part of the topic, I will discuss about why I have choose the colon cancer.
Sorry, क्या? डिपार्टमेंट है क्या? शुरू हो गया.
We all know that the colon cancer is basically occurs in the Western countries like America, Europe, Asia. And in India, it has been lowered as compared to those most economically developed countries. But nowadays, it is rising up to 6,000 deaths per year occur the people who are suffering from colon cancer. So we have to take a measurable step to prevent this type of cancer. And so many medicines are available in our market to treat the colon cancer, but we don't get any kinds of fruitful result by using these types of chemotherapeutic agent. Here, various reasons for the colon cancer like food habit, genetics, and consumption of alcohol, smoking. Lot of reason is there. Here I have taken capecitabine as a model drug. The capecitabine is widely used to treat the colon cancer, but it has so many disadvantages. Like it has to be taken huge amount on daily basis, and its T-half is very small, 0.8 hours only. So we have to take huge amount, and before going to your targeted organ like colon, it mainly part is totally break down in your GI tract. And it has so many side effects like skin rashes, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipations, heart diseases, etc. So my motto is that to prevent all of the side effects, common side effects of the drug, along with make the drug target specific, and in this way we improve the patient compliance. So here I have taken two types of natural biopolymer to make the capecitabine more novel, effective and safe. Here I take Garmodina along with the sodium alginate. The Garmodina is a biopolymer. It has the name of the scientific name of Garmodina is Anacardiaceae. It has been obtained from the Ordina wood. The Garmodina has been already patented in our lab. Here Garmodina key role is it acts as a prebiotic as well as immunomodulator, along with direct the drug directly to the colon. But Garmodina has also disadvantage. Its viscosity is very less, so it is not able to make the polymeric matrix itself alone. So here I have used another natural polymer, sodium alginate. It has good binding property and good viscosity. So sodium when we mix the tiny particle and it directly goes into your them and readily break down there and exhibit the activities. I have done some preliminary work there. The objective of our project, development and characterizations of taxidermy loaded polymeric microsphere by factorial 3-square design, physicochemical characterizations of formulated microsphere, spectral analysis by DSC, XRT, FTIR, TGA, and Raman spectroscopy also, drug release kinetic, establishment of in vivo in vitro model of colon cancer, and some work have been done physicochemical characterizations and instrumentation analysis, drug release kinetics, and optimizations of the formulation. So many work are still remaining now. I have formulated so many formulations. Among them, I have taken F1 and F3 for regarding their visual appearance for the performance of further studies. And I have done some physicochemical characterizations like a swelling characteristic. It is an important phenomena for the drug release. I have done swelling studies both in 0.1 normal NCL along with pH 7.4. That is the colonic pH. And we get a swelling study 160 to 72. That is enough for the drug release. And the entrainment efficiency is another major parameter because it defines how much quantity of the drug was incorporated within your polymeric matrix. And I got entrainment efficiency in formulation 121.6 plus minus 1.36, 41.5 to 2.58. The percentage, another percentage, it quantifies how much amount of the product you will yield after that formulations. So I get a 51.85 to 77.41%. Then the particle size. The particle size in case of microsphere should be lies between the ranges of 1 to 1000 micrometer. I get a 173 micrometer, 289, and that is means the particle size is very small and it is readily goes into your intestine and degraded. It is the release kinetic studies. The release profile I got 86.4 to 87.17 up to 8 hours. That means it is a sustainable release. And you have to consume the medicine, then it is goes release up to slowly, and that is our desired result. And I get a kinetics, I model Higuchi kinetics model. Higuchi means you have to, after the consumption of your product, then it directly goes and take up your intestinal fluid, they get burst, erosion, and release your medicaments from your total polymeric matrix. And the instrumentation analysis of XRD, we got a crystalline peak from the drug, and the count shows the amorphous peak. In case of your ideal formulation, should we follow the amorphous in nature? And this is my formulations. I get a graph from the capacitomin in case of the sharp peak. In case of the peak was certainly broadened, that means it gets transferred to the crystalline phase to some amorphous phase. That means the formulation is still ideal. And that's of all till, and I follow these types of references here. I am highly acknowledged for the financial support of the UGC Russia too. Highly thankful for the Jadavpur University for providing me all the necessary facility for conducting my research work, and I am also thankful for the organizations of bioengineering to give me such an opportunity to deliver my work in the front of you. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you, Avana. We can invite one or two questions.
Can you go to your XRD?
Yeah.
These are all suggestions. You don't get this thing.
Let's
See, your sodium arginate and gum ordinal, it is full of noise. Basically, you cannot use this graphs. Either you have to smoothen it or you have to clean the thing. Because so much of noise, that means your instrument is not functioning properly. From where you have
are both of the instrument, both of the XRD graph are from the same machine?
Yes.
Are you using some glass slide over which you were spreading the sodium arginate, then you were doing XRD?
I was given to the Jadavpur University Instrumentation Lab. They have perform the instrumentation analysis. I got the
It generally
result.
happens if you are doing on a glass slide, and glass slide is actually
Again, X-ray shows if it is towards dying, the amorphous materials, they show this kind of noise. White. These are basically white noise.
Yeah.
Over your sample, you are having getting white noise. So
probably your sample has been pitched over a glass slide.
Maybe I
Just,
don't know because I have.
yeah, because it's a good word. Then again, if you see intensity, intensity is arbitrary units. It's not the actual units. Okay. And again, small suggestion. If you see all the intensities, they are in the horizontal position. It has to be in
Baseline
the
correction.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then 2 theta unit is degrees. That is missing. Can you go back to your Higuchi kinetic model? Yeah, how you are restricting yourself to Higuchi kinetic model? Because it is just a matrix model.
Yeah.
There are other brittle models, paper cell model, Grossman's paper model, which is an advanced form of the Higuchi model. Why you are doing restricting yourself to the Higuchi model?
I have done so many kinetic models for solid
The problem over here is that you are showing R square value is 0.80 and you are accepting that. That is
No,
not
exactly.
exact.
After value, the student may not realize the last point. Actually, last point is a.
Yeah, no, that R square, I got a highest R square value in case of formulation 3 and formulation 1, both for Higuchi kinetic.
You just
So I am
remove
just-
the
Yeah,
CR.
the practice is not safe. That's what I am trying to say. You go for a more generalized model, which is Kurzweil's Pepper's model. There you get the diffusion coefficient and also the exponent value. Okay? And also, this is better than the Higuchi model, but it is limited. You again have this paper styling model, which takes into account the polymer relaxation and also the diffusion distance. These two parameters. Over there, you get a more insightful information. So don't restrict yourself to the Higuchi model because this will lead you nowhere. Because if you are trying to compare F1 and F3, F1 is not following Higuchi model. Okay, because it's asked earlier that 0.8.
Why Gamma
Gamma I have taken due to it has got a prebiotic and immunomodulatory activity. It is interferon gamma
What is the
immunomodulatory.
structure of Gamma?
The structure elucidation has been done in our lab by another
So what are the
scholar.
monomer units? What is the monomer compound?
Will it get degraded inside the duodenum or it will
What are the duodenum?
inside the duodenum it will
Because
get
it is a
degraded?
prebiotic. Prebiotic fiber cannot degrade in your stomach wall. It is completely digested by the utilizations of the microorganisms. And in our intestine is the deciding house of our.
So not inside the duodenum.
In large intestine. Does it have any gel forming or film forming thing?
Yeah, it is till now working. Some unhealing activities for by forming a sponge. And gel forming activity till now hydrogen is actually not prepared in our lab. It has a binding property is good as compared to the normal starch.
What is
And
the source?
Odina udder.
It's a plant.
Yeah, that is called in Bengali terms the geol tree. Abundantly often in our throughout the India, I have collected
So you have extracted the gum or you have brought it out?
extracted the gum, then I have purified. Most of the structural elucidation still now is working in Cambridge as well as Botanical Gardens in Kolkata. Still now the working.
The structure is not known.
Still now is working.
Okay, last question from me. You have addressed 2 or 3 problems at the beginning of the presentation. One, that your draft are generally taken in a huge amount.
Yeah.
Do this microsphere reduces that amount?
Yes.
Why?
First of all, I got a anti-cancer activity form also Gamodina because it immunomodulatory and improve by a prebiotic activity, and it has been already approved in our lab. The Gamodina has a good colon cancer activity. So I have here used 150 mg of capecitabine, and that gave enough result.
Okay. Thank you. Any more question? Thank you very much.